In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted contact numbers from your Google account or Gmail account in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step, ensuring that you can easily recover those important contacts that have been accidentally deleted. Rest assured, with these easy to follow instructions, you'll have your contacts back in no time. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. Once you're there, in the top right corner, you'll see a grid-like icon. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Contacts. This will bring you to the Google Contacts interface, which is a central hub for managing all your contact information. Now that you're on the Google Contacts page, your next move is to find the Trash folder. The Trash option allows you to access contacts that have been deleted. In most cases, Google retains these contacts in the trash for up to 30 days, giving you a window of opportunity to recover them. Once you're in the trash, you'll see a list of all the contacts that have been removed recently. To start the restoration process, carefully go through the list and check the boxes next to the contacts you wish to recover. Be sure to double check that you're selecting the correct contacts, as this ensures you're restoring only those you truly need back in your main contact list. Having selected the desired contacts, it's time to finalize the restoration. Look towards the top right hand corner of the page. There you'll find the Recover or Restore button. Click on this button, and just like that, your chosen contacts will be reinstated to your main contacts list. This step is crucial as it effectively completes the restoration process. It's important to remember that deleted contacts linger in the trash for a maximum of 30 days. After this period, they are permanently deleted and recovery will no longer be possible. Hence, it's a good idea to periodically check the trash to ensure you're not missing any crucial contacts before they're gone for good. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage and restore your deleted contacts, keeping your personal and professional connections intact. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any remaining questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out for help. Until next time, take care.